Moving along with task 19, I now have two more tubes. They have a green spin top to them, but they are still non-additive tubes. There's nothing in here. I labeled it with Sophie, who's our donor, and Sky, who's our recipient. What we want to do now is place 3 to 5 drops of the packed red blood cells from both of those EDTA tubes into the appropriate non-additive tubes, and then we're going to add about 5 to 10 mLs of the normal saline into it just to mix them up. And then we're going to centrifuge both of these, which is going to be a mixture of the packed red blood cells and the normal saline, in our centrifuge for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, and I have clean pipettes over here, and I have a 6cc syringe that I'll use to take my saline to put it into my centrifuge tube. Again, both of these centrifuge tubes can hold up to 10 mLs. So we're going to start with Sky. So this is Sky, who's the recipient, so I'm just going to take off the green top. And then this is Sky's packed red blood cells, who is the recipient, so I'm going to take off the purple top. And we're just going to add in 3 to 5 drops of the packed red blood cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll throw out that pipette. We'll put the purple top back on. Put that back in our stand. Alright, I'm just going to place this down for a moment. And now I just want to use my 6cc syringe just to take out some normal saline. And we're just going to add 5 mLs of the normal saline into that tube as well. Just want to get rid of the air bubble. Alright, so it's going to be... Alright, so we're going to add 5 mLs of normal saline into Sky's centrifuge tube as well. Okay, and then we're going to put that green top on securely. And then again, we're going to repeat the same thing for Sophie, who is our potential donor. So I have Sophie's donor centrifuge tube here. We're going to take off the green cap. We have Sophie's possible donor packed red blood cells. We're going to take off the purple cap. And we're just going to add 3 to 5 drops with a new clean pipette into the centrifuge tube as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll throw that one out. We're going to secure the purple top back on the tube. And then I'm going to place it down real quick. And then again, we're going to add another 5 cc's of normal saline to that tube as well. And I have another air bubble I just want to get rid of. Make sure it's 5 mLs. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add that into Sophie's tube as well. Okay, we're going to put on the green top securely. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put these both in the centrifuge for 2 to 5 minutes, and then we'll come back once that's done spinning. As you can see, they both have the same amount, so they're going to balance each other out when I spin them down in the centrifuge. So again, we're going to spin it for 2 to 5 minutes, which is the mixture of the red blood cells and the normal saline. So I'm going to put this one over here on the left. This one is going to be directly across from it on the right. We're going to close. And I'm going to set it for 5 minutes. And we got my timer. 5 minutes, and we're going to press start. Alright, so once that's done centrifuging for 5 minutes, I'll be back.